There's a point where upgrading your audio stops being about small improvements and starts being about transformation. This is one of those moments. This is the Sonos Sub 4 wireless subwoofer, and it's designed to bring a completely different level of depth to your sound system. Right out of the box, the design feels premium. Clean white finish, smooth curves, and a modern look that fits almost any setup. It's minimal without being boring, and it blends into your space instead of standing out too much. But design is just the surface. What really matters is what happens when you turn it on. The Sub 4 is engineered with dual force-canceling drivers. That setup allows it to push out deep bass while keeping everything controlled and tight. Instead of random vibrations or muddy sound, what you get is clean, precise low-end performance. And the impact is immediate. Once connected, your entire audio experience shifts. Movies gain more intensity, especially during action scenes. Music feels richer, with bass lines that are more defined and powerful. Even subtle background sounds become more noticeable. It's not just about volume, it's about quality. Another big advantage here is the wireless experience. There's no need to deal with complicated wiring or technical setups. Everything connects through the Sonos app, making the process quick and simple. Within minutes, it's ready to go. It also features intelligent room tuning. That means it automatically adjusts its output depending on where it's placed. Whether it's near a wall, in a corner, or beside your TV unit, it adapts to maintain consistent sound performance. That level of convenience makes a real difference in everyday use. In terms of real-world performance, this is where things stand out the most. Watching movies feels more immersive. You can feel the low frequencies during intense scenes, making everything more engaging. Gaming becomes more dynamic, with explosions and effects carrying more weight. And for music, especially genres with heavy bass, the improvement is obvious. The sound becomes fuller without losing clarity in vocals or instruments. It manages to stay balanced while still delivering strong bass, something that's not easy to achieve. Now, this isn't just a standalone product. It's part of a broader ecosystem. It works best when paired with other Sonos devices, like soundbars or speakers. That's where it truly unlocks its full potential, creating a complete surround sound experience. If you already have compatible devices, this becomes a very easy recommendation. If you're starting fresh, it's still a great option, but it's worth considering the full setup for the best results. So the real question is simple. Is it worth adding to your setup? If you're looking for deeper, cleaner bass and a more immersive sound experience, the answer is yes. It delivers consistent performance, simple setup, and noticeable improvement across all types of content. Once you get used to this level of sound, it's hard to go back to anything less. Hi guys, if you want to buy this Sonos Sub 4 wireless subwoofer white, then please visit the link provided in the description. That wraps it up. A powerful upgrade, a clean design, and a solid step forward for anyone serious about audio quality.